Today we will do some question of sample paper set 1 of class 9th. The first question is, a right angled isosceles triangle ABC is right angled at A, then angle B is, the options are A is 45 degree, B 60 degree, C 30 degree, D 90 degree. In this question it is given that triangle ABC is right angled at A. It means angle A is 90 degree, and in the isosceles triangle the two sides are equal and the two angles are equal. So angle B will be equals to angle C because it is given that A is 90 degree and the sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. So we will substitute the value of angle A, which is 90 degree, and as we know angle B is equals to angle C in this question, so we substitute angle C as angle B. So our equation will become 90 degree plus 2B is equals to 180 degree. By solving this equation we will get the value of B. Angle B is 45 degree, so the correct option is A. The next question is, plot -2, 5 lies in the quadrant. The options are A first, B second, C third, D fourth. The point is -2, 5, and in the graph paper, in the first quadrant the both x and y are positive. In the second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant both x and y values are negative, and in the fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. The point is the -2, 5. Here x is negative and y is positive, so it will lie in the quadrant second, so the correct option is B. The next question is, if x is not equals to y, then xy is not equals to yx, but if x is equals to y, then A option is xy will be equals to yx, B xy not equals to yx, C xy equals to -x minus y, D xy is equals to -xy. In this question it is given that if x is not equals to y, then xy is not equals to yx, but if x is equals to y, then what will be the condition? If x is equals to y, so in the point xy, the point xy can be written as yy, because x is equals to y, and y will also be equals to x as x is equals to y, so xy can be written as yx, which is the option A, so the correct option is A. The next question is, find any two irrational number between 0.5 and 0.55. In this question we want to find the two irrational number between the 0.5 and 0.55, and irrational number are those which cannot be expressed as ratio of two integers. Irrational number are non-terminating and non-repeating. So the two irrational number between 0.5 and 0.55 are many, they are infinite. The two of them are 0.50, 5500, 55500, and so on, and second one will be 0.52, 5522, 55522, and so on. Like these infinite patterns can be formed, and one more will be like 0.539, 3399, 33399, etc. Okay. The next question is, factorize 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So in this question the given equation is 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So y square can be written as 2y square minus y square, and minus 2y can be written as minus y minus y. So we will write like this in this equation, and we will take 2y square as common in the first two terms. The equation will become 2y square into y plus 1, and from the third and fourth term we can take minus y the common, and from the last two terms we can take minus 1 the common. So the equation will become 2y square into y plus 1 minus y into y plus 1 minus 1 into y plus 1. So by solving this equation we can see the factor of the given equation are 2y plus 1, y plus 1, and y minus 1. It means if we put these into 0, we can say y equals to -1 by 2, y equals to -1, and y equals to 1 are the roots of the given equation. Okay, thank you.